If you've lost access to your Northwestern Mutual account and no longer have your phone number, you can still recover your account through a few steps. Follow this guide to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Northwestern Mutual website. Go to the official Northwestern Mutual website. Look for the login section where you can access your account. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Once on the login page, find and click the Forgot Password link. This will initiate the account recovery process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from Northwestern Mutual with instructions on how to reset your password. Follow the link provided in the email to proceed. Step 5. Reset your password. Create a new password following the guidelines provided. Once you have successfully reset your password, you should be able to log into your account. By following these steps, you can recover your Northwestern Mutual account even without access to your phone number. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.